Welcome to this Lignacite tutorial. In this video you will be given a tour of the main menu in fleXipod as well as some of the other useful features that you can access. If you'd like to skip to a specific section that's relevant to you, you can do so by clicking on the chapters below. Following a successful login, you'll be presented with the main menu screen. This provides lots of options to assist you in completing your job. Starting at the very top of the screen, located inside the blue header section, there are some useful shortcut functions. These icons will always be at the top of the device and can be accessed at any time when you're in the fleXipod app. On the left hand side we have the home icon. This can be used at any time to quickly take you back to the main menu. To the right of that there is an icon that looks like a bullet point list. This will take you immediately to your jobs list. On the other side of the banner, there's an icon shaped a bit like a paper aeroplane. Pressing on that will allow you to quickly check your messages tab. This can be useful for if you want to check your messages midway through a delivery, it will save you having to go back out to the main menu. On the far right hand side, we have three dots stacked on top of each other. This represents other functions. Tapping on it will bring up three other options which appear as blue icons at the bottom of your screen. These are Refresh, About and Settings. Tapping the refresh button will reload the information being sent to the app. This can be useful for if you're waiting for a job to appear and it hasn't loaded into your device just yet. The About screen provides general information about your device and the jobs assigned to you. The third option is Settings. This allows you to change some of the things about your device, such as the Appearance option, which allows you to switch between light and dark viewing modes. If we focus on the main menu, located at the top of the menu there's the Messages function. Any unread messages are highlighted by a red dot. If we go ahead and click on it, this will display any outstanding messages we have. Messages can be used to notify you of any number of things. One example would be to send out a traffic alert, but they can be used to communicate any extra information about a job. To go back to the main menu, you can either press the back button on your device, this will take you to the previous page, or you can click the home icon at the top of the app. If we move down, there is a jobs list function. This is one of the most important functions that you will use on the app. It offers you a view of all of your outstanding jobs. When a job has been assigned, there will be a red dot notification icon next to the jobs list banner. A typical delivery will show up as 5 items on a jobs list, as seen on the screen here. This is because jobs are separated into 5 sections: the pre-departure, the depot depart, the delivery, which you can click on at any time to view items in the order, depot return, and the end of trip. To get out of this screen, we'll use the home icon to go back to the main menu. Below we have the In Progress job function. This is useful for checking a job that you're in the process of completing. If you have to skip a job for any reason, it will appear in the Skipped Jobs tab. You may be asked to skip a job if some of the details in a delivery have changed. The Forms function offers a view of available forms which you might find useful in your day-to-day work. Let's go into one of these forms. Depending on the type of questions within the form, you may be prompted to use the keyboard for notes, take a photograph, or select an answer using the virtual buttons or checkboxes. After completion, each form will be sent back to the fleXipod Center console. Once you've filled out a form, you can check its details by going back into the main menu and selecting the Completed Forms function. On here you can view all of the forms which you've filled out during your login session. For example, we can see the number plate form that we filled in, and also the wait time form that we filled in earlier. Finally, at the very bottom of the menu we have the Log Out function. This will log you out of your account and take you back to the fleXipod login screen. That's everything that you need to know about the fleXipod main menu.